Hey, welcome back to Rusty Bow. This week's going to be pretty much the same as last week. I'm going to take this 111 layer billet that I've been working hard on, very hard on, and I'm going to draw it out and flatten it and prep it for wrapping around a 17 layer billet of the same high carbon steel. So let's see how far we get today. So I think I did okay today. Flattened it out and spread it out a lot. So next week I might spread it out a bit more and put the cut in it so I can bend it and get that all set for the other billet. And then I'll just have to work on the other billet to prepare it for the shape for this. And maybe the week after I'll put them together. So it's been a busy day. I also worked on my barn. And the sun is relentless today. So, okay. Well, I hope you had a good weekend, and I will see you on the other side of the week. Stay well. Be good.